You're looking at a 2016 GMC Sierra 3500 HD SLE Crew Cab 4x4. The one-ton runs and drives nicely. The interior and exterior are clean. There are no accidents recorded on the history report. The 18-inch Falkin Wild Peak all-terrain tires are in good condition. It has a 6-liter V8 engine, 6-speed automatic transmission, 373 rear-axle ratio, Z71, off-road suspension package, factory trailering package, and trailer brake controller. Features include SLE Package, power driver's seat, 8-inch touchscreen infotainment with CD player, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatible, OnStar, Bluetooth, Sirius XM Satellite Radio, backup camera, power windows, locks and side view mirrors, air conditioning, cruise control with tilt wheel, Grille Guard, running boards, remote start with keyless entry. For more information about this vehicle, or to see our large selection of quality vehicles, go to carfactorymt.com. You can buy with confidence at the Car Factory. We are Montana family-owned and operated for over 2 decades. And our great reviews on Google show that people love doing business with us. Stop by today. 4562 State Ave, Billings, Montana